If you're struggling to grow, you're not doing the most important thing.
So you've run a few social media campaigns, but how do you evaluate the results so that you can know what works and what doesn't?
Hey dear Morning Fame users, I have 5 new features for you in the keyword research tool and in the algorithm tab. And I also want to talk to you about shorts and how to grow your channel with that. And as always,
I'm going to tell you why you should be a YouTuber, and we're starting right now.
That's just how it is. Hey, wait,
I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube fast. What's the secret? Well, it's a new strategy called the consecutive content